Yeah, my first experience with anything mechanical was in 4th grade with my grandpa, taking apart a lawnmower engine. We just disassembled it and he showed me how all the parts work. It was just something that was super fascinating to me. I really enjoyed learning about how it worked, and I really enjoyed being able to learn with my hands and take something apart and see how it works. In high school, you're supposed to look at 2 career centers if you wanted, and I ended up telling my career counselor that I'd like to check out 3 because I knew I wanted to go into some kind of vocational program. I also started working at a shop, just sweeping the floors, taking out trash and everything, and then slowly worked my way into doing minor maintenance, and then started doing full repair. Decided to go out on my own, and there's a really small 1-bay garage that an older gentleman was running, and he was wanting to retire and was looking for someone to kind of take over what he was doing. So I took over this 1-bay shop. You could barely fit a single car into it, and yeah, things grew pretty quickly to where we're at now. We have 13 employees and 12 bays. I think the biggest thing is that we genuinely care about people. I think that is the number one thing that sets us apart, and the number one thing that we believe is we genuinely want to help people. From the very first year we started the business, we decided to give 20% of profits to charity, and that's something that it wasn't that much money when I first started, but as we've grown, it's been something that we've been able to give a lot of money to support different charities. We say we genuinely care about people, and we put our money where our mouth is on that.
I'm passionate about cars. I love working on cars, being around cars, but I'm also passionate about interacting with people. That's something that I really enjoy, especially in an area that I feel like I have expertise in, because it's fun talking about what you're into and what you know about.
That's why we think of, we're inconvenienced by going to the dentist or the doctor, and it's a pain. It's similar with bringing your car to a mechanic. That's why we're big on loaner cars and shuttles, so you don't have to miss a day of work. We really stand behind our work. We put a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on everything, more than most shops.
Being able to have finally found a group of guys that are totally trustworthy, that care about other people, that have a high level of experience, that have great attitudes. Yeah, it's just really hard to find people like that, but I feel like every person here is like that. I guess I'd put it this way, that I would not want to be running this business if it wasn't full of people who are happy to be here and doing what they want to be doing.